Good morning, student. In previous class, we talked about major domains of the Earth, lithosphere, and in this lesson, in this class, we are going to learn about hydrosphere. So, what is hydrosphere? Hydrosphere is the water portion of the Earth, and it includes all water bodies, example, oceans, seas, bays, gulf, lakes, etc. So, when we talk about hydrosphere, we must know about oceans, extent of oceans, and there are four oceans, namely the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian, and the Arctic. This is Pacific Ocean, this is Atlantic Ocean, this is Indian Ocean, and this is Arctic Ocean. Now the Pacific Ocean, as you can see, this is Pacific Ocean, and it is the largest ocean in the world. It covers 1/3 of the Earth's surface, and the deepest part of the Earth is Mariana Trench. It lies in the Pacific Ocean. Next is the Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest, as you can see here, it is Atlantic Ocean, and it is the second largest ocean in the world. It is S-shaped, and the coastline of Atlantic Ocean is highly indented. Indented means uneven edges, and it is very good for trade and commerce. Next is the Indian Ocean. It is the only ocean, as you can see here, this is Indian Ocean. It is the only ocean named after country, that is India, our country India, and it is bounded by the continent Asia, Africa, and Australia. And next is the Arctic Ocean. This is Arctic Ocean, and this is the smallest ocean, and it is connected with the Pacific Ocean by Bering Strait. Strait means a narrow stretch of shallow water. Now atmosphere. So what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the air portion of the Earth, and the Earth is surrounded by a layer of gases called the atmosphere, and the atmosphere has many gases like nitrogen. Nitrogen, about 78% nitrogen is present in atmosphere. This is 70 around about 78% nitrogen is present in atmosphere. 21% oxygen is present in the atmosphere, and carbon dioxide about 0.03%, and inert gases 0.97%, and water vapor 1%. Now the atmosphere is divided into 5 layers based on composition, temperature, and other properties, and the atmosphere extends up to a height of about 1600 kilometers. So as you know, the atmosphere is divided into 5 layers. First is troposphere. So this is the lowest, troposphere is the lowest layer of our atmosphere, and we live in troposphere. Next is stratosphere, then mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. So stratosphere contains the ozone layer, that is called blanket of the Earth, because it absorbs ultraviolet rays of the sun which are harmful to us. It protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays. Next is biosphere. So as you know, what is biosphere? It is composed of all living organisms. So the biosphere is a narrow contact zone of land, water, and air that supports life, as we discussed earlier. So it contains all the flora and fauna of the earth. Now there is a perfect balance in nature between these major domains of the earth, but the human activities are disturbing this balance of the nature and causing environmental degradation, and this result in global warming. What is global warming? Increase in the amount of carbon dioxide leads to increase in global temperature. So we must take necessary steps to check this environment degradation. The balance of nature between the domains of the lithosphere, the atmosphere, and the hydrosphere must be maintained. So with this we cover the chapter major domains of the earth. See you in next class. Thank you.